Hi, I hope you are doing good. Today I have come up with another game development video of what I am working on recently, and this is related to a European roulette game written with JavaScript free framework. So I will share the source code walkthrough in another video. But for now, this is the introduction of this new game what I have created. If you see on this board, there are 36 numbers plus one green zero uh, number, where there are groups on which the user can bet. It's the same as the roulette game, and as European roulette has some special groupings for the numbers one user has to click. There, the similar concept I have implemented for the European roulette. There are like five denominations each of the coins, and user can select any of the denomination, and he can bet on this special as well as individual numbers or two or more numbers. Now he can choose another number, another coin, and he can bet on any of the number as well. Now, once we once the user bets on the numbers, then it will click on the spin. If you see, there is a audio thing saying no more bets. That is text to speech library from the JavaScript. And so if there is no win, then let's try re-betting on the same numbers and spin again. 36. This time it is a win. So this is the game, and here for each spin that creates a transaction, which is recorded. If you go here on the menu tab, history tab, you can see all the transactions that I have done, all the wins I have or spins I have done, and whether there is a win or lose. That how much profit for each transaction everything is given here, and this contains the individual number as well as the uh, coin value bet on each number that is also available for each transaction. When you click on copy icon, it copies everything into the clipboard. It can be shared with the customer support team where if there is a discrepancy in the money transaction info. Then let's see other features of this. Like this pawn is there on the win number. It goes to stop on the win number, and after that, after the report is generated, like the audio report and everything, then it comes back to its own position. There is like a rebet when where the previous bets are being stored and rebet on the uh, table when uh, when it is clicked. Now, if you want to change your mind and clear these bets to bet on other numbers, you can click on clear. So this will clear all the coins on the table, and then you can go for another coin and rebet on any number what you want, like second, 12, or first to 12. Anything on these things you can do, and then you click on the spin again. While it is spinning, you cannot do any actions on the table or on any of the coins or any of the user interface. Once your spin is completed, it creates a transaction. So 26 black was the thing. Let's see whether it is cracked in this history. 26 black. I think it is not updated immediately, but okay, that I will fix it. I will add the last transaction immediately once it is completed. It has to load there. Otherwise, if I reload the game, it will definitely load it. This the last transaction. This I have to update immediately after the stream is completed. That I will update. Next, if you see here, I have used some Rex plugins for Phaser 3, where Rex plugin is a reusable component, where this tabs component, this scroll bar component, and this table component, everything is used from Rex UI plugin. So if you see in the game rule, here I have used only one table component and scroll bar component. So this point is created, and in the next video I will post the rest of the code walkthrough how I have done this from scratch. Thank you for watching.